let me tell you about the train ride. We just got treated like royalty. Seriously, we got greeted with a champagne toast. They gave us snacks in this little lounge area before we boarded. Then we got on the board, we got this cabin. I'll give you a little tour of the cabin in a little bit here. It's super comfortable. It's not like the train in Moldova I took. That was this slow Soviet-style sleeper train with no amenities. This is like first class stuff they're offering here. They gave us robes, slippers, shampoo, soaps. There's a shower with piping hot water. The beautiful scenery, the windows open. I stuck my head out the window, just went, and we saw vineyards along the way. I don't know if you know, but South Africa and the Cape Town area has amazing wines. You gotta try the Pina Top. We brought Stedman along. For those of you who don't know, we incorporated Stedman's Go Global Productions LLC, and this is Stedman the moose. He's our little mascot. It's a long story, I'll tell you another time, but he keeps us safe and is kind of like a little fun mascot to travel along with us. He's a moose from Colorado. Let's talk about the food. They just fed us non-stop. Seriously, they couldn't have stuffed us more. So like I said, we got snacks in the waiting lounge yesterday morning. Then we boarded the train, we got our cabin. And then we had a welcome reception where they gave us champagne. And they told us the schedule, none of which was kept because the schedule kept changing because the train gets delayed every hour for some reason or another. But that's okay, they keep us happy. Then they serve you breakfast, lunch, dinner. We had a 4-course lunch, a 5-course dinner, high tea in between. There's not even time to sleep on this train. They're just constantly feeding you desserts, tea, coffee, full bar. It was pretty spectacular. Oh, we had this funky little stop. What was the town called? We had this 20-minute stop where we got to go out and walk around. It was like this old Wild West town in, you know, the middle of nowhere, South Africa. They had a British-style red double-decker bus for some reason. I got a postcard with it on it. Yeah, you can do a lot in 20 minutes. We're about to approach Cape Town. I can't wait to see it. I hear it's one of the most beautiful places in the entire world. It's supposed to be quite different from Johannesburg. Don't get me wrong, we love Johannesburg. We were warmly welcomed there. We had a fantastic filmmakers there. I'm really sorry. I gotta kick this cold somehow. I've tried every type of medicine and nothing seems to work. I hope I don't have the measles. I am vaccinated, I mean. Don't get scared. It's been amazing. I highly recommend it. The Premiere Classe Train from Johannesburg to Cape Town. Take it if you ever get the chance. It's cheaper than the Blue Train, which is the more famous one. We had a great night's sleep last night. They turned down our beds while we were at dinner. Super cool. Totally recommend. I cannot wait to see Cape Town. We're gonna see penguins here, hopefully. I can't wait to see the penguins at the southern point of the country. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the next few minutes, the last few minutes of this scenic, beautiful ride, because we're hitting the ground running. It's the 48-hour film festival in Cape Town, launches this evening. We're gonna run off the train, check into our hotel, and go on over to the 48-hour film fest to see what these amazing young South African filmmakers are up to. So, hasta la vista. That's not what they say here, but goodbye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that jazz.